After a spirited engagement session, the Shiba Inu army welcomed the guest with open arms. Shoshiro Kusama showed no signs of stopping, dropping bombshell after bombshell. Today's revelation is so mind-blowing that it has left me completely speechless. Let's find out what I mean. Members and verified the agreement's completion. Kusama further urged everyone to check in for next updates. While details were initially scarce, the community understood that when Kusama teased something as big, it meant real developments were underway, not just empty promises. Now that we have the details and more explanations, this remark set off another wave of bullish engagement from the Shiba Inu army. Although some influencers have already discussed this, it appears that they are omitting a crucial aspect that this is it. People have been eagerly awaiting the release of the promised treat token for so long, with the development team remaining silent. Finally, we have received not just mundane news, but something truly monumental. The Shiba Inu community is now feeling ecstatic and thrilled. They should feel this way because this development completely changes the idea of the upcoming update. But what is it about, and why even those who discovered this hidden detail still keep it a secret? Let's find out. Represents a major advancement for the project. The Shiba Inu community is currently experiencing a great sense of joy and satisfaction, as they have been waiting weeks for a package that they have been eagerly anticipating. The treat token was much anticipated, but the revelation of a Layer 3 blockchain came as a complete surprise. Let's go back a little. Shiba Inu was first built on Ethereum, which is Layer 1. Later, in August, we saw the release of Shib, a Layer 2 scaling solution specifically designed for Shiba Inu. Now, the reveal of an upcoming Layer 3 blockchain paired with the treat token is setting new standards. Here's how it works. Imagine Layer 1 as the base where all the major Layer 2 operates on top of Layer 1 and facilitates operations and transactions, enabling faster and larger scale transactions. For Shiba Inu, for example, Shib fulfills this job. Layer 3 further improves capabilities by providing even more scalability and functionality. Using a home as an example, the first layer would be the sturdy foundation. Layer 2 functions as extra flooring, offering more room and comfort. Layer 3 is akin to adding a rooftop terrace with additional features and a breathtaking view, all of which contribute to a more remarkable and effective living experience. However, here's something crucial to note. Lucy, the content marketer for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, recently said on X that the Shiba team had raised $12 million through the yet-to-be-released. For those who are not familiar, the Shiba Inu development team raised $12 million by selling treat to venture capital investors outside of the United States. The treat token indicates that the cash originated from an investment round. Venture capital firms are organizations that provide financial investments to potential startups or ventures in return for ownership or equity. In essence, stakes offer financial support to companies with significant growth potential in exchange for a stake in the business. For example, let's say you have a great concept for a new venture but lack the capital to make it happen. Approach a venture capital firm with your idea, and if they are interested in it, they will fund its development and launch. In exchange, they will become a part owner of your business and will reap the rewards of its success. Usually reserved for serious initiatives, association with venture capital firms denotes a level of validation and assistance from seasoned investors. The fact that the Shiba Inu is a venture capitalist indicates their faith in the project's viability and potential for success because they perform extensive due diligence before making an investment. The fact that the development team has drawn venture capital funding shows how serious and confident they are about their next project. Shoshiro Kusama, the ecosystem leader for Shiba Inu, verified the news in a statement, saying that seed and pre-ed rounds were involved in the financing. Furthermore, Kusama disclosed that Shiba Inu had started the fundraising process several months prior and had completed it in early April. However, he withheld specific valuation figures. However, an anonymous source has revealed that the fundraising appears to have been organized into 3 tranches, with valuations of reportedly $75 million, $100 million, and $200 million for each. To put it simply, a tranche is equivalent to splitting a large investment or fundraising round into smaller portions. components for every tract. Indicates the valuations assigned to each portion of the fundraising. To put it into perspective, imagine having a piggy bank and dividing the money you've saved into smaller containers, each of which holds a significant amount, demonstrating the scale of the fundraising effort and the confidence investors have in Shiba Inu's future. Here's something you should know. Notably, the fundraising aims to accelerate the launch of Shiba Inu's privacy-based Layer 3 blockchain, which is currently in development on Shib. Remarkably, Kusama chose not to reveal the identity of the upcoming blockchain. By keeping the name of the blockchain a secret until its official unveiling, blockchain is thwarting potential scam attempts similar to those who created fake treat tokens ahead of its official launch. This is a smart strategy that helps protect investors and community members from falling victim to fraudulent schemes. It's important to keep in mind that the Shiba Inu community has already experienced multiple instances of fraudsters launching fake treat tokens and deceiving unsuspecting individuals. These events were very frustrating for the community. Shiba Inu can reduce the risk of scammers creating fake tokens and deceiving people. Everyone working in the Shiba Inu team's new blockchain development is using completely homomorphic encryption technology from the cryptography company Zama to develop it. It's important to note that the treat token will serve as the utility and governance asset for the upcoming privacy-focused blockchain. Additionally, Shiba Inu's leader has mentioned that treat will be the final risk asset introduced by the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This collaboration stems from Shiba Inu and Zama's partnership in February to enhance privacy services for user data management. According to Kusama, the new blockchain is scheduled to go live on a test net in the third quarter of 2024, followed by the mainnet after extensive testing. When Shosher talks about a risk asset, he probably means an asset with a higher degree of volatility and uncertainty, like tokens or cryptocurrencies that are susceptible to market swings and speculative trading. Because of these assets' price volatility and lack of intrinsic value, investors may be exposed to additional risks. It's encouraging to learn that treat will be the final risk asset the Shiba Inu ecosystem introduces for a number of reasons. It signifies two things. First, a change toward more reliable and steady assets within the ecosystem, which could lower total risk for investors. Second, it shows that the project is maturing and moving toward a more reliable and sustainable paradigm. And here are some other shocking details. This news is especially encouraging given our previous discussions on the significance of the stablecoin project and returning to the treat token as the risk asset by introducing a stablecoin which aims to maintain a stable value relative to a fiat currency like the US dollar. Shosher Kusama emphasized that efforts are underway to unveil a stablecoin before the year concludes. The near future of Shiba Inu appears extremely promising because it can give users a more dependable means of exchange and store of value. This can help draw on a wider range of users and foster greater adoption of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, contributing to its long-term success and stability. What do you think about that comment that is below? This brings this film to a conclusion. If you would like to view more, please click on one of the videos you see on the screen. I would be happy to hear your thoughts. In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.